There, welcome back, Build 5 Creations. We have left off on our tutorial exactly where we left off last time. We'll pick that up here. So, moving on through the various tools, we have Polygons tool. It just lets you draw whatever kind of bizarre shapes you want and have them become something. I've just drawn a very complicated shape here. If we can see, these are all actually one piece. We delete that. We have the brush tool, which if I pause, I can draw a B5. Oh, yeah, sometimes it glitches. When you see a, yeah, that's not glitching. When you see a line like that, that means that it's glitching. So here we have a B5. And as we can see, they behave perfectly. You can adjust the brush size in a tool menu here. Smaller. So I can actually go like this if I want. This is very fun. Ooh. I can erase parts. Like this. I'm not sure what multi-draw is. Oh man, I'm starting to get lag. Ugh, recording is very laggy on this. So the square tool, as I said before, can actually be used to select things and delete them, right? Perfect. Circle tool creates, no duh, spheres. No, I'm kidding, it creates circles. The circle is fairly self-explanatory. This gear tool here. Ooh, okay, apparently I'm zoomed out quite a bit. If we click on the gear tool, we can adjust the tooth size, and I can have gears, which work, interestingly enough, just like normal gears. I can have outer gears and inner gears. I can have just inner gears. And yeah, it gets leggier actually as you make bigger gears, so just be aware of that. Hollow gear thickness, I can, you know, make them like this. And that's very useful. Plane tool I already talked about. Chain can simply create, well, there's no options for it. It'll just create a chain. That I would think would be obvious. So yeah, those are all the entities. These are springs. Spring tool. You can actually create springs, and they will behave springy. Pretty self-explanatory once again. No option here. Fixate. This one is not very self-explanatory. Just delete that. So when I let's say that I have this circle here. I'm gonna make a nice big circle. Oh, but wait, it falls. Oh darn, I don't want it to fall. Oh, I can pause it, but it'll still fall. So I'm going to fixate it. Bam. Now it's stuck. Not only this, but you can actually fixate an object to any object. Oops. Let me pause that. To any object behind it. So there are layers, as we can see here. You fixate it to one layer behind this. So this is not stuck to the background at all. This one is. It still won't move, but if I delete this, now it'll fall over. Just get rid of that. So that's not fair enough. The hinge tool creates hinges. We've already seen them in the centers of gears, but I can create hinges if I so choose. And the tracer tool. This one's a bit weird. The tracer tool is kind of strange. Let me just deselect. You cannot place tracers in midair, but say I stick a tracer here, or let me make a circle to stick the tracer on. If I put a tracer on the circle, it will trace a path wherever it goes, and the path fades out, but you can actually bring it back. So that is the rest of the tools. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. You can actually, here, just going to show you what happens when you turn off gravity. It's very hilarious. Fun. So then we can get a gravityless simulation. We can turn off air resistance, which means that things will not slow down. There's no friction. Computer. So that's it. See y'all later.